Hey y'all. Okay, so I know that I have been MIA a little bit on my channel, right? I haven't been posting as frequent as I was, or as frequently as I was. Let's use the correct terminology here. Did y'all hear that? Did you hear that? Okay. Living in an apartment with kids above you, it sucks. Okay? If you have kids and you live in an apartment, try to get on the first level, because the running, the stumping, now she's fussing at them. Yeah. And I am privy to hear all that. They just totally got me distracted, y'all, of what my purpose was to come on here today and tell y'all. So, as many of you know, we are getting ready to close on our house. I'm excited, but it has been rough. When I say it has been rough, y'all, it's been rough. We were supposed to close on October 15th. They pushed our date back and said that they weren't ready. I think this is something that is the norm when you're dealing with building a new home, right? I've talked to a lot of coworkers. I've gotten a lot of advice because I was very discouraged, because it really inconvenienced me and my husband, because we, got an apartment temporarily and we had to go and say, hey, can you guys extend us out? And they're like, no, we've already rented your apartment out. I was devastated. Okay, I was all up in my feelings because I have been waiting to move into this house. Y'all know how excited I have been, okay? It was just very disheartening to say that they gave us a new date. And I kind of figured that they wouldn't be done because stuff just wasn't done in the house. And I'll insert some pictures to kind of show you some things that, weren't completed, and that I knew would take an additional, 3 to 4 weeks to do. So luckily our apartments are working with us, and the person that they pre-leased the apartment to was like, hey, I'm flexible and they can wait, because after we move out of the apartment complex has 5 days to turn this over, meaning getting it ready for the new tenant. So that's one thing. Another thing we've been doing is that we have been packing. Okay, we have been packing so we could be prepared for this move. Now we're supposed to move and get our keys in 4 days. Let's hope and pray that everything goes smooth so that we can get out of this apartment and just enjoy or start our holiday season in our new home the way we really thought we were supposed to. So that's pretty much what I have been up to, you guys. I also had a lot of going on with school. Like, I had to write a 10-page paper that my little sister had to help me with because I sprained my wrist, and it's just whatever has gone wrong, y'all, has gone wrong. Okay, if you can think of it, it has happened to me within the last 2 to 3 weeks. So with that being said, you guys know that I'm in school, so I didn't have enough time to sit down and make content for you guys. But here is what I have to say. I'm going to be making a lot more content once we move into the house. I really want to take you guys room by room and let you enjoy the decorating process with me. So I went over to the house today because the house is wide open and they are making progress. So it's kind of looking like we are going to be able to move into the home when we're supposed to in 4 days. I've taken off work. I'm excited. I'm excited to show you guys as soon as we get the keys. I promise, I'm going to upload a video and we're going to walk through that bad boy. I'm ready. I'm ready. I know I never ever filmed like this with no makeup on. Hair is a mess. Just got off work. Like, but I was like, you know what? I don't want them to think that I have forgotten about them, because I haven't. I have so much content. What else do I think I have coming up on my channel? Oh, I am doing and hosting Thanksgiving if the Lord see fit for me to, okay? Meaning we get to move in and get settled before family and friends come for the holidays. I have already about 20 people who have RSVP'd to my Thanksgiving. And the crazy thing about it is that I can't cook. So I think that would be a really good video. I can cook, but I'm not the best cook. Let's just put it that way. I can do the bare minimum in the kitchen to keep my family happy. But, you know, my husband usually do most of the cooking. Anything new and tasty, my husband does the cooking. So I guess that will be exciting for you guys to actually get to go with me shopping for the ingredients, putting together the list, setting up the table, just everything. And when my family come into town, they are cray. So that's going to be more content that I'm going to put out for you guys. Like, I'm really excited about that because my mama is hilarious. And I always have a good time with my mom. Like, my mom knows how to turn up. Do you hear me? She knows how to turn up. So I'm so excited to host, you know, this year, because last year we didn't have a lot of guests and we were in an apartment, and it just wasn't the best. But things are turning around and things are changing, you guys. You know, if I had to say anything so far about this home buying or building experience, is the first date that they give you is tentative. Tentative meaning that that's an approximate date. It's a roundabout. It's not exact. So with that being said, I probably wouldn't count on moving in on that date that they give you. And if they do, they're amazing builders, because mine is like, no, boo-boo, we're not done. So that's pretty much it. So you guys let me know if you're interested in seeing a lot more content from me, as far as just doing more vlogs, just being more open and letting you guys into my world, which I think is boring, but you know, some people think it's popping, you know, like they think it's popping. So so my next vlog, guys, will probably be the day that we move out of the apartment and into the house, and I think you guys are going to love it. So make sure you leave me a comment below if you're excited about what's to come on my channel. And I will leave a link below to my blog that I've created, www.theaquariuskway.com. And let's just get this show on the road. I hope you learned something from my experience, and that is that you have to be comfortable with things not going your way and being able to push through it. Because Lord knows when we get in this house, I will not be moving again. Okay? I will not be moved, people. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next vlog.